Hello and welcome to today's video about vitamin B12 from Fact for Fit. Vitamin B12 is an essential nutrient that plays a vital role in maintaining the health of your body. It is responsible for the production of red blood cells, the proper functioning of the nervous system, and the metabolism of DNA. In this video, we will be discussing everything you need to know about vitamin B12, including its sources, benefits, and potential deficiency symptoms. Vitamin B12 is found primarily in animal-based foods, such as meat, fish, eggs, and dairy products. Vegetarians and vegans may have a harder time getting enough vitamin B12 in their diets, as it is not found in plant-based foods. However, there are fortified foods and supplements available that can provide a source of vitamin B12 for those following a plant-based diet. One of the most important benefits of vitamin B12 is its role in the production of red blood cells. Red blood cells carry oxygen throughout the body, which is essential for maintaining energy levels and overall health. Vitamin B12 also helps to maintain the health of the nervous system, helping to prevent nerve damage and disorders such as multiple sclerosis. A deficiency in vitamin B12 can lead to a number of symptoms, including fatigue, weakness, constipation, weight loss, and a loss of appetite. In more severe cases, a vitamin B12 deficiency can lead to anemia, nerve damage, and cognitive impairment. To ensure that you are getting enough vitamin B12 in your diet, it is important to eat a balanced diet that includes animal-based foods or fortified plant-based options. If you are at risk of a vitamin B12 deficiency, your doctor may recommend taking a supplement or receiving a vitamin B12 injection. Vitamin B12 is an essential nutrient that plays a vital role in maintaining the health of your body. By understanding the sources, benefits, and potential deficiency symptoms of vitamin B12, you can take steps to ensure that you are getting enough of this important nutrient in your diet.